Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. It is Friday the 5th of March, and Kathy is ready to show us what sold.
All right, let's start with Mercari today. First up, box AO. So we sold these Merrell hiking boots, and they actually sold to a viewer who, I know I'm gonna pronounce your name wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's Candida. So let us know in the comments if we said that wrong, but she actually made me an offer on these, to which I accepted, of $27. And then she wrote a message saying, I just realized we watch you on YouTube, so thought that was funny. But yeah, so I got these at Goodwill recently for $5.99, and then she purchased them for $27 plus shipping. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the accidental support. We appreciate it.
But yeah, those are cool boots. I actually wish they were our son's size. And then a couple of sales over here. CN. We picked up a little today, but we still have some stuff in.
Yeah. Always working.
Yep. So these are just some Oolikai Flipflops. These I bought for my son, but he doesn't really do well with flip-flops. He's only 4 years old, so yeah. So I went ahead and listed them. I got them at Once Upon a Child for $3.50. Somebody offered me $13 on Mercari, plus they paid ship, so I accepted that because wasn't losing money and made a small profit there. And then box CQ. This is just a vintage like polo jeans co denim jacket. I thought it was so cool when I found it. I did pay $8.99 for it, thinking I'll probably get at least $50. But it's been listed for a few months at this point, and it didn't sell for $50. But it did sell for an offer of $35 that I accepted. The buyer did pay shipping as well, plus tax, so they're probably close to $45 all in. And yeah, so I paid $8.99 and $2.35. I'm happy with that. Okay, we did have one Poshmark sale, box W. Some Choco. But these are from my 65 pair of shoes day. And so I have about $4 and some change into them. They sold for $28 on Posh. And yeah. We did have a question on our video yesterday or the day before, I think, asking how many of those we've sold. So that video came out about 2 weeks ago. I think I counted last night 31 had sold out of the 65, and then we had that today and maybe one or two more. So about half so far in 2 weeks. I said I think most of them will sell within 90 days, but most of them might sell within 30 days. So I'm very happy. I've definitely weighed in the profit on what I spent on those. All right, then we had two Kitizen sales. So AX, what was it? Some Keens sandals. Is this AX? Uh-oh. Oh, there. Gives you a little mini heart attack every time you don't see the item.
Even though we've never really misplaced.
I know. It's very rare.
We're like anticipating that first time, the first
video.
real time where we have had something kind of fall behind the box, but.
So I had these listed for $34.75. I had someone put them in their cart. I sent her an offer of $30 free ship, and she accepted. So I have about $9 and change into them. The shipping cost, what were these? These were like a little over 12 ounces. So shipping is $5.75 on those guys. And then box R is the Mickey Mouse Vans. These were my son's, and I honestly don't remember where they came from. Most likely Kitizen, probably. But yeah, I don't remember what we bought them for. They did sell for $25 free ship. Shipping is $5 on those. These ones are pretty beat up on the rubber and like faded on the canvas, so I was happy with that price.
While I'm over here, I was just gonna show, like yesterday it was snowing like crazy, and it is pretty much gone and t-shirt weather again. Yeah. So
well, to me it's never t-shirt. All right, so about the W. So this Lily Pulitzer for Target dress. It's a kid's dress, and I actually bought this off ThreadUp to use my credits, so I did pay up for it $17.99, but it sold for $31.04 plus shipping. So I did make my ThreadUp money back into cash, plus make a little profit off of that. I was very happy with this sale. These just got listed last night. So AS then
way over here.
Yeah, last week when our local thrift store, the Arc, had a 10 off 30 coupon, I found this and 2 more pairs. This one was new with tags. The other 2 were just like very good condition. So this one I priced the highest out of the 3, and it ended up selling today on eBay for $53.36 plus shipping. These were technically $5.99, but I did like an average cost of goods that day, so they came out to like $4 for this item. So yeah, $4 into $53.36 plus shipping, not too bad. Right, and then box of BT. Over here. These are just some Dr. Scholls Flats. I did pay $4.99 for these, and they sold for just $15 plus ship, so not huge money, but I was ready to see them go, so I sent an offer of the $15, and now they're gone. All right, and then BE. Some Crocs. Yep. So these were from the 65 pair day, and these ones sold for, I did not write down how much they sold for. Let's check over here. $22.21 free ship on those. They will cost, we could just actually see how much they cost. They're 8 ounces, so it would be a 12-ounce label. So they'll cost $4.20 to ship out. Box X, we got some Tiva. Alright, so I'm really glad to see these go, even though it's a small profit, because I bought these forever ago. They sat in my death pile, don't ask me why. Once I got them listed, well, the footbeds were just like really like, I don't want to say dirty, because I did wash these in the washing machine, but like the footbeds didn't look any cleaner after really, so I just kind of was sad I bought them, but I bought them for $5.99 and sold them for $16.71 plus ship, so not horrible. But yeah, most Tivas you can get like 30 to 40 bucks for, so that just wasn't a good pair. All right, and then CG sold a sweater. All right, this is the brand Redhead. I don't normally pick up this brand. I only got this because it was from the sweater day, so only $1.49 into it, and it sold for $13.31 plus shipping. I've already sold like half of those sweaters already, so yeah. I guess I'm glad I went, even though I didn't get a ton. All right, and then box Q. I think these were Chris's old shorts. Otherwise, I don't know where we got them.
Keep coming this way.
I think these are them. Can't see the brand, but yeah, these are Croft and Barrow, so it's not something I would have sourced, but they sold for $7.04 plus shipping. If they were Chris's, I can't imagine I spent more than $5 because I don't buy him anything that's not from the thrift.
She spoils me,
if
right?
If he wants something expensive, he has to buy it himself.
And I really don't.
He won't. He'll wear the same pair of jeans for his whole life. All right.
They're worn in. I like them.
Then I sold these play shoes. I don't remember what I paid for these. Let me check. I feel like I got these so cheap. It was like 99 cents or $1.99, I think. Alright, play. Yep, 99 cents plus tax. And these usually sell for more, but I've had them for a while, so I sent an offer of 15 plus ship. And I'm happy to see them go. Alright, and then last but not least, Jay. This is just an Under Armour boy shirt, new with tag. I bought for my son, but he never wore it, so I listed it. It came from the Dillard's discount, so I probably have like $5 and some change into it. Sold for $9.91 plus shipping, so made my $5 back, and that's probably about it.
All right, so that's what we have going out today. And some other stuff we got to work out. We'll come back. We're going to pack these up real quick, and then we'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, we got that stuff packed up. Gonna use this IKEA bag to hopefully pack it all. I think we don't have anything in USB or UPS or FedEx or anything, so
maybe just one FedEx.
Oh, maybe just one. But we're gonna go over a little bit of our momentum board. We've been trying to keep up and good on it, so.
Yeah, so I didn't get anything listed yesterday. Just ran out of time. I ended up cross-posting all these 24 pairs of shoes I did the day before, so I did that, but didn't get anything new up.
Yeah, and in the morning we went to an estate sale, just kind of.
Yeah, had a good
while Side Guy was in school, we went and hung out.
So, because we didn't work that much yesterday, we'll probably do a little work tomorrow. So
yeah.
And then today we haven't done a whole lot yet, but we do still. Like, I'm about to pick up Connor, but then we'll probably work an hour or two until
Oops,
dinner and everything. So hopefully, because we're not even close to 100 items yet. I can't remember if I listed any on Sunday, but it was technically February, so it's not on the board. But yeah, I think this is like 70. I didn't really count.
I think it was like 76 or something.
Yeah, so it's under 100. I like to be at least at 100, but I did list a little bit, at least on this day, some higher valued items. So kind of this is what's in my head. I don't know how Chris thinks about it, but we like to make around $200 a day net profit. So like I'd like to at least list double that. So like I'd at least like to list $400 in potential profit every single day. So
and like to being like that's like our minimum goal.
And that's
like,
for the week and not even so like some days like yesterday we listed 0, but so yeah. Anyways, for whenever I do it this way, it usually works out to where we can at least make what I want to make. So, but yeah, I want to keep growing that too. But at least at the very minimum right now, that's good enough. So yeah, today I've so far only listed 5, which are just things I'd already had on my phone but hadn't listed yet. And then Chris got his 4 listings up, which were his
comic book and
that card.
Like a remote control I had, some stuff, just the stuff that I had drafted for a while and kind of had to go through, make sure everything was A-okay for listing. And
his 4 listings were 170 though, so not too bad. My 5 were 230 so far. I have more listings, like, what was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna easily be able to do those shoes when I get back from getting Connor. Yeah. Shoes take that's probably, I don't know how many pairs, but that'll take like 10 minutes to photograph and then I can list them really fast. This bin here I know has some stuff in it that's already photographed and I want to get that listed too. So hopefully with Saturday we'll get to our 100 listings, but you never know.
Yeah, and we kind of straightened up, vacuumed, got our office tidy. This is still all that stuff. Mostly going to JBF, right?
The video for JBF, so like I kind of want to have that all set up neatly on the table and then do it as part of the video. So that's why I'm kind of collecting it all before I even, because I sometimes would just be like, oh, well, I got 20, I'll just tag them really fast and then put them in the trailer. But
yeah, for
the video purposes, I want to show you guys a good amount so you can get an idea of how to tag clothes, shoes, random stuff, books, things like that. So.
We have had a few questions on the JBF stuff, so we do want to give you guys at least a little crash course. It's really not that hard. We use it for lower dollar items, sometimes higher, like bigger items. We sold strollers.
Big toys sell really good. Strollers,
big toys,
like baby carriers. Even like the nicer diaper bags and stuff.
The stuff that you dread shipping, take it to JBF if it's kids items. And I don't know, we'll probably pull some stuff out of the closet, but we are kind of running out of time with getting Connor.
I still haven't done my snow pants yet. So. I wanted to do those sleeping bags today, but we just keep running out of time. So
yeah,
that's okay. That's why we work for ourselves.
Yeah, exactly. We don't have to answer to anybody except ourselves. So we could, spur the moment, go and check out an estate sale. We didn't really find anything. It wasn't a great one, but we got to spend some time without kids, and that was great for us. We had some breakfast, and Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this stuff off to the post office. She's going to go get Connor. And I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.